LOCKLY Vision Lux Smart Lock Installation Guide. To complete this installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, tape measure or ruler, and a vise. For this installation, you may optionally use a drill, hole saw, drill bit, and a chisel. If you encounter any problem during installation, please visit support.lockly.com or call our hotline at 669-500-8835 for help. Preparation. To complete this installation, you may need a drill, hole saw, 1-inch drill bit, and protective eyewear. Remove existing mortise lock set, deadbolt, or latch, and use provided template to bore new holes. Prep the door if necessary. Before installation, make sure to determine your door opening directions. This will be your reference in adjusting the latch, throw, cam, interior, and exterior handles. Step 1. Adjust the latch, throw, and cam. Change the latch, throw, and cam direction according to your door opening. The factory setting of the throw and cam is for right in-swing door. Changing latch, throw direction for right out-swing and left in-swing doors. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 3 screws and faceplate. Rotate the latch, throw 180 degrees. Ensure the latch is fully rotated, then reinstall the faceplate. Secure faceplate with 3 screws and tighten. Changing cam direction for left in-swing and left out-swing doors. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the cam screw and take out the cam. Shift the direction of the cross hole of the cam facing the exterior for left in-swing or left out-swing door opening. This concave point below the cross hole must be facing downward. Install the cam and secure with screws. Step 2. Install the lock set. Make sure the cross hole of lock set is at the center alignment and facing the door exterior during installation. Install the mortise lock set, G, into door pocket hole. Route the cable inside the door pocket and place it aside, and tighten the lock set with the 4 screws, H, supplied. Step 3. Reverse the door handles. The factory setting of the handle is for a right-handed door. Skip this step if you have a right-handed door. To shift handle from right to a left-handed door, follow the instructions. Exterior handle. Use Allen key W. Remove screw on the right. Use your fingers to push the reversing barrier backwards to a loosened position, then rotate the handle 180 degrees. Release barrier to return to its original position once the handle is reversed. Tighten the screw on the left with Allen key. Interior handle. Remove the 2 screws with an Allen key, W. Push the spring hook downward and hold with your finger. Then rotate the handle 180 degrees. Lock the 2 screws with an Allen key. Step 4. Install the lock cylinder. Check door thickness and confirm if the cylinder blade needs to be cut. When the door thickness is less than 70 millimeters, cut 23.5 millimeters off the cylinder blade or from the 4th scale. Remove this plastic cover before installing the lock cylinder. Insert the cylinder, B, to the cylinder hole of the exterior assembly, A. Secure the cylinder, B, to the exterior assembly, A, with 2 screws, E. Select positioning rods, D, according to door thickness. Insert washer, C, on positioning rods, D. Install it onto corresponding screw hole on the exterior assembly, A, and tighten it with a vise or wrench. Step 5. Install the spindle. Before installing the spindle, check door thickness. Cutting of the spindle will be required if the door thickness is between 70 and 120 millimeters. Note: insert the spindle through the door. The L sections as shown in the diagram should be kept within 33-35 millimeters. Cut and discard the excessive portion. This part needs to be inserted through the exterior part of the door. The spindle must be inserted from the door interior. It must pass through completely the lock set top hole. Pull it outward by hand in the direction of the arrow and ensure the spindle cannot be pulled out. Step 6. Install the exterior assembly. Select or adjust the escutcheon K screws 2 according to door thickness. Route the exterior assembly cables and rods through the corresponding holes on the lock set. Insert the positioning sleeve V into the inner side of the spindle. Make sure they are all aligned and correctly oriented. Secure the mounting plate with 2 screws K. Screw K has been selected or adjusted based on the door thickness. Check if the deadbolts and latch are thrown smoothly with the physical keys. If not, adjust the mounting plate and screws until the operation is running smooth. Once the exterior assembly is installed, remove the positioning sleeve V and use stickers K1 and K2 to seal the holes and prevent moisture. Step 7. Install the interior assembly. Before installing torque blade M, select the hole position for inserting pin L based on the door thickness. When the door thickness is greater than 70 mm, insert the cotter pin through the leftmost hole. Otherwise, insert the cotter pin through another hole. Install torque blade M to interior assembly. Insert the cotter pin L to the torque blade M according to door thickness. Use pliers to bend pin L. Connect the cable antenna port and secure it in the slot. Then connect the remaining cable connectors accordingly. Insert the excess cable into the opening. Insert torque blade to the corresponding hole. The torque blade must be in the vertical position when the security bolt is retracted. And install the interior assembly onto door. Ensure the interior assembly hole for spindle and screw holes are aligned. Secure the interior assembly with screws N and Q. After installation is completed, lift both the interior and exterior handles up and down, making sure they are running smoothly. Then check if the deadbolts and latch are thrown smoothly with the physical keys. Please correctly install the battery according to the positive and negative pole marks in the battery box. After the battery installation is complete, check if the lock operates normally and ensure all functions are working properly. Install the battery cover. Cover the screw holes with 2 screw trim covers O. Step 8. Install the door strike. To complete this installation, you may need a drill, hole saw, drill bit, a chisel, and protective eyewear. Use installation template to drill hole on the door frame. Install the dust box S onto door frame. Then install the strike plate T and fix it with screws U. Due to the diverse designs of doors and frames, you may need to fine-tune your strike plate or dust box to ensure the deadbolt operates smoothly. To complete the full setup of video doorbell, live monitoring, and voice control, you would need to pair the LOCKLY Vision Lux Smart Lock with the Vision Connect Hub included in the box. Please download the LOCKLY app from the App Store or Google Play. Register or log into your account and follow on-screen instructions how to connect LOCKLY Vision Lux to the Vision Connect Hub.